Successful people are successful not because of what they possess, but because of what they give back. We are Udaipur Colors. In our You Talk segment are in conversation with one such entrepreneur, Mr. Raj Bodia. Born and brought up in Udaipur, went to Bangalore and Philippines for higher education, has been the Asia Pacific champion for HALT and also a global finalist for HALT, and then has a career spanning in various countries like Saudi Arabia and US. Finally, he's back to his own city, Udaipur, and started his entrepreneur venture called Mood India. Thank you so much, Raj, for joining us today. It's a pleasure having you.
Thank you, Archana, and thank you for such a nice introduction.
You deserve it.
Thank you very much.
So the first question was this only, what is Mood India?
So as the name suggests, Mood India is basically gauging the mood of the nation.
Right.
And if you see, India is a big democracy, it's one of the biggest democracy, and yet we find that the freedom of expression, when it comes, it's minimal.
True.
So
Expression to hai, but शायद medium nahi hai.
medium nahi hai. If
Right.
you go on social media and you express yourself, then you get trolled.
Right.
There's a lot of trolling which happens on social media. So we thought of coming up with a platform where you can just not listen to the narrative of media, but you can express at the same time what do you think about the issue.
Right.
And that's how we started it. So this is the basic idea that what people are thinking on the critical issues जो day to day life में हम face करते हैं. So how we can gauge their sentiments and reflect it very clearly.
Right. So, I mean, there's obviously, when it comes to mood and when it comes to platforms like this, there's a concept called data intelligence, and data is the liquid gold right now.
Yes.
So, what exactly is data intelligence, and ये कैसे आप इसको कैसे capture करते हैं?
See, there are various types of intelligence when it comes to data intelligence. We'll majorly focus on two types of intelligence to that. One is your demographic intelligence. And one is your geographic intelligence.
Okay.
So when we talk about demographic intelligence, we talk about so and so age group, things
Acha, okay.
so and so.
Or a
thing.
gender के
Yes,
हिसाब
yes.
से.
How gender things are thinking. When it comes to geographic intelligence, you probably provide the geolocation intelligence from so and so region. People are thinking this. So that's the idea about the intelligence, and then we interconnect the threads.
Okay.
So let's say there is an issue, which recently Prime Minister had said something. Now there is a opposition which is saying something, on that. So how you build that relationship, with the issues and the involved stakeholders, and then you provide option to people to choose from.
Okay.
And once they choose, the intelligence link all this data from the chosen option to various stakeholders.
Okay. Fine.
So that's the intelligence what we talk about.
So actually एक इंडिविजुअल को पता चल जाता है कि ज़्यादातर जनता इसके बारे में क्या सोच
रही है.
राइट. ओके. तो मेरा एक क्वेश्चन ये था कि जब इलेक्शंस होते हैं तो एक मीडिया ट्रायल होता है जहाँ मीडिया बताती है कि जनता का ये कहना है कि अ सर्टेन कैंडिडेट विल विन और अ सर्टेन पार्टी विल विन. इज इट क्वाइट सिमिलर टू दैट?
It's very similar to that, but what the way we focus, it's very different.
Right.
See, generally election से पहले आप देखेंगे तो on ground surveys होते हैं.
हाँ.
And they are done in plenty of manner. But online surveys का data जो है, that is sometimes not captured properly. Most of the time it's not captured properly.
Right.
And that's where you see all these exit polls and all fluctuating. But when we look at the data, we look at the randomness of the data, the spread of the data, all these parameters required for a sample. To give you a particular confidence interval range.
Right.
That this sample can give you this much of confidence interval. In this confidence interval, you can predict the result. So we look at that sort of data, and that's where the geographic intelligence comes into play.
Of course, right. So obviously जब हम political parties की बात करते हैं तो I think Mood India is a wonderful platform.
Yes.
आपने शायद कुछ ऐसे political parties को help भी किया है.
नहीं, हम किसी भी political party को help नहीं करते हैं.
As a candidate?
As a candidate भी हम help नहीं करते हैं. See, we serve them. We only tell them that this is the intelligence what we can provide you.
Okay.
We do not, shape up the content or shape up the narrative around that, because then it becomes unbiased. Then
True.
it becomes biased.
Right, exactly.
So what we do is we tell them that this is the mood of the people, and we do not reveal any names or numbers or any personal information. This is our strict company policy.
In fact, मैं वही पूछने वाली थी कि कितनी बार sometimes opinions तो बहुत लोगों के होते हैं, but we are always have this thought behind our mind that we हमारा कहीं identity disclose ना हो.
No. This is our strict policy, and our architecture is designed that way.
Okay.
That on the opinion poll side, we do not capture anyone's personal information, and we stick to that.
Okay.
So no matter what, if it's only the legal, implications to that, if the government asks us, legally, then we'll provide it to the government, not to any third party. we actually not selling that data. We are not into data selling business.
Yeah, you're into
We
gathering
bring
and
the
capturing.
intelligence. Yes, that's it. So
Okay.
that's where we are limited. And definitely, if you say that when we did election campaign यहाँ पे जब 2018 में विधानसभा इलेक्शन था, so we were the only platform which can gather the information in a localized city and gave the 100% accurate result before election.
Wow.
So
That's
that's the way,
commendable.
yeah. So that's the way our intelligence works.
Okay. So supposedly कुछ एक इशू चल रहा है कंट्री में, और मुझे as a complete layman, as a common man, मुझे अपना ओपिनियन शेयर करना है. So how do I go and do it?
आप सिंपली जाके प्लेटफॉर्म पे रजिस्टर करें. यू हैव सेवरल
That is
इश्यूज.
moodindia.in.
मूड इंडिया प्ले स्टोर पे अवेलेबल है.
Okay.
आप वहाँ से कर सकते हैं. सो वी हैव एन एंड्रॉइड प्लेटफॉर्म.
Okay.
So you can go.
And वेबसाइट से भी कर सकते हैं?
Website say we don't do it because there are technical glitches in the
Okay.
web. Your IP address becomes very difficult to track down and then
Okay.
get the entire intelligence
Fine.
rightly. So we don't incline ourselves to the web platform. We are more on the Android side. So there you can go register. You can look at the number of series of issues.
Right.
Okay, you can cast your opinion, and it's a very civilized way of giving the opinion rather than trolling, commenting someone. We don't do that. We don't believe in that philosophy.
Okay,
And
so there are just few options. Yes, no.
yes, no. Do you agree with them?
maybe.
Maybe. Why do you think like
Okay.
that? We have our own blog content
Oh,
over there. You can
wonderful.
read that, and then
Generally, yes.
as a user, you can see the entire statistics transparently. The data
Okay.
what we have, every other user have.
Acha, okay.
So all
it
the
is that
geographic,
promise.
demographic data, every user have it. So they can see, they can do their own analysis and transparently see every data possible. So our whole idea was, when we were looking at the news earlier, you see a lot of exit polls and all these things. 90% people have said this, but you never know from where are these 90% people.
True.
Which city, which
And the
gender, where are they
captives
belonging to?
True.
Okay, so we don't never get to see the entire story. We just see the numbers, which highlight some facts, but not the real facts.
True.
And to understand the issue, आपको वो सब facts में जाना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कि क्या सिर्फ women ने किया है या men
Men
का
ने किया
perspective
है.
है, age group क्या है,
Age group क्या है?
because as a psychologist जब हम हमारे surveys करते हैं, we know कि कई बार gender plays a very important role and age also plays a very important role, right? So yeah, that's wonderful.
And another thing is
And also the geography where they are
geography from where they are voting and
Yeah,
everything. So you
exactly.
get that data. Every user has that data, and they can transparently see this is the mood of the nation. So this is the transparency is the main and the transparency and the trust is the two core pillars which we are working
exactly.
on.
And जहाँ पे भी transparency होता है वहाँ trust automatically build हो जाता है,
Definitely,
right?
definitely.
So ये तो हो गया as a common man, but sometimes say supposedly I'm a trainer, तो मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि किस तरीके के opinions अभी लोगों को bother कर रहे हैं. So I as somebody who runs a business can also register and know what my customers are thinking.
Yes, absolutely. We have recently launched our business segment where you can have your profile listed. You can have your entire community. You can build your own community over there.
Okay.
And you can take the real-time feedback from your customers. And we have a very unique way and very easy way of how a customer can interact with your business. So it gives you a complete digital experience. When a customer comes, they get to know all the value propositions what you are giving, and then they can give you the feedback, and you can get the real-time intelligence. So as a business, it's very significant importance that you understand what a customer wants.
Yeah, what is
and
his
what is
opinion?
Yes.
Right, exactly.
So
that's a wonderful platform for all the
yes.
entrepreneurs. And is there a registration fees to it?
Yes. For businesses, we have kept it very nominal, very, very nominal. If you break it by month, it's like 1,000 rupees a month. But we are selling yearly subscription right now.
Okay, so
it's 12,000. Yes.
Okay.
And you can share it with your profiles with anyone. It's very interactive way. You can have your old social media link. Social media platforms can be linked over there.
Okay.
So anyone coming to your profile can see your social media handles also. They can see your offers also. You can throw the offer to the entire city. So let's say you are thinking that next week I'm free for this slot and I want to get some training schedules, and you can immediately throw offer. Entire city will receive, and you can immediately launch at that point of time.
Oh wow! So it is almost like a promotional thing also that you can promote.
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. So I mean, one is from a business perspective, उस इंसान को ये पता चलेगा कि उसके customers उसके बारे में क्या सोचते. Apart from that, how else will a platform help a business entrepreneur?
I mean, a lot many ways. See, when there are several businesses listed on our platform, a person coming, user coming on our platform, they can immediately see which business is listed,
Right.
what is their ratings, how the feedback is, and we transparently share this data with everyone.
Okay.
So as a business, when you are coming on board, let's say your business coming on board, so people can see, how Archana is, in terms of corporate training.
Right.
So what people have rated them, how
Okay.
people have rated them,
What
you
has
have
been the
a
success
yes,
rates,
yes.
right?
So you have a complete customer satisfaction index for your particular business.
Okay.
So it can be checked, they can see your videos, they can interact with your videos. So you have an entire profile, with all the gallery and everything. So it's completely, you can customize the way you want.
Right. Okay.
So there are a lot of benefits. Then you can immediately, you want to, let's say, write a blog or something. Anyone can follow your business and they can get your blogs in their feeds on our platform.
Oh, wow.
So immediately just go and follow a particular business. So anytime you're throwing an offer or a blog you're writing, immediately it will be reflected in their feed.
Okay, so I mean you have so much to offer if somebody
Yes.
for an entrepreneur, because ना हम हमेशा एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म दे रहे होते हैं जहाँ पे हमें सब कुछ मिल जाए, and I think apart from opinions you're giving us so much more.
Yes. And then see, there is a city vibrancy. So all these are localized business. So we are trying to get these localized business. So most of the time you want to interact with your local businesses. So immediately as per your location, you will get the listing of the local businesses around you. So that's something which is additional, and immediately offer systems also work very localized way. So that's an added advantage that that next door shop has got this offer running right now. And it's a complete digital experience.
Right. And Abhi, to you're obviously working in Udaipur, but you have plans to take it at pan-India level. And obviously, the way you're going with the energy level so high, I'm sure it will be global as well.
Yes.
So, I mean, वहाँ पे as a user को क्या advantage है when he shares his opinion? How does a user benefit?
See, user gets to know, for instance, right now we have this farmer issue going on across the country.
Exactly, the farmers bill.
Yes. Now, as a user, you get to know that, farmers in Punjab are thinking this, but farmers in Rajasthan are thinking this way, and farmers in Madhya Pradesh are thinking this way. That's an understanding which, as a citizen, you require to understand. Let's say there is a small issue, pothole issue in the Udaipur city, or there are some other issue, COVID protocols which are being not followed properly. So people can raise these concerns.
True.
So all these advantages definitely user have, and then we also have linked the performance of the administration. So we have an index on the administration also, and the key representative of the public. So your vote definitely, reflects in their score. So, that way we can go, and if administration is serious about taking, the feedback from the citizens, which is their primary function. So they can immediately take that feedbacks and
they get real-time feedback.
And they get the real-time intelligence also, which area they need to work on.
Right,
Hiran Bangri, this road is not perfect. Durga Nursery, this is the issue. So they can immediately locate where are the issues. So they don't have to run around and do the entire survey and spend a lot of taxpayers' money and all. They immediately can see. And this is all crowdsourced information.
Exactly, and it is very genuine, and
genuine.
It is by the people. वो democracy का जो statement है, by the people, of the people, and for the people.
Yes. So it's not like every 5 years you have to wait for the elections to come and everything. You can immediately have your say, continuous say in the democracy, and as the platform grows in terms of length and breadth, in terms of numbers and all, you will see that how it impacts the functioning, the bureaucratic functioning, the political functioning of the country. So you'll see all these features coming in, even in the business functioning. Once you have the feedback of the customer, then you know exactly what steps to be taken.
True.
So ideally, if you see, we are focused about citizens, consumers, and community.
Okay.
So this is the principle we are working. 3 C's we are working on. That how you can improve, or empower these people at every level possible.
Wow, that indeed is quite an incredible concept that you've come up with. So Mood India is almost 4 years old, right?
Yes.
इसकी popularity index क्या है, and what has been the feedback that you have got? I'm sure Mood India को भी feedback की ज़रूरत है.
Yes, definitely. See, we are continuously improving. It's a very big platform, so it takes time. It has its own way of moving. Okay, because there is a lot of interconnectivity in the data and all. But अगर आप देखें, popularity index आपने जो पूछा, so let's say आज की we have number of followers on Instagram, Facebook and all these things, but you don't have a parameter. आपके पास कोई parameter available नहीं है कि आज इतने followers का sentiments क्या है.
True. या जब उन्होंने लाइक किया था तब क्या सेंटिमेंट था
हाँ
और आज क्या सेंटिमेंट?
हाँ भले आप ट्रेंड
True.
कर रहे हो बट आप नेगेटिवली ट्रेंड कर रहे हो, कितना पॉजिटिवली ट्रेंड कर रहे हो, व्हाट आर द सेंटिमेंट्स.
True.
सो वी हैव डिजाइन्ड एन इंडेक्स वेयर यू कैन सी आप लोगों की पॉपुलैरिटी, जो पॉपुलर पब्लिक फिगर हैं, इश्यूज हैं, इवेंट्स हैं, उन सब की पॉपुलैरिटी यू कैन सी इट. इट्स जस्ट लाइक इन स्टॉक मार्केट ऑफ सेंटिमेंट्स. तो आप डेली ट्रैक डाउन लास्ट 6 months, लास्ट 3 days करंट क्या है, तो वो सारी पॉपुलैरिटी आप देख सकते हैं. तो जस्ट गिव यू एन एग्जांपल, PM इज ऑल टाइम favorable by mass, mostly the masses. That's what our index also reflect. But there was one instance, where the sentiments were negative, and this was during the migrant labor issue.
Oh yes, during the lockdown, which
During
is
the
very,
lockdown.
a very recent issue.
So that's
right.
what we capture. These are the kind of sentiments what we capture.
True.
Okay, and if you see the overall trends, for various different public figures, any statement which has come up which were controversial or which were supportive, you will see the sentiments very easily reflected on those.
And it varies.
It varies. It varies. It's completely a trend,
Yeah.
So it's
Emotions
like
are never stagnant. Opinions are never stagnant.
Stagnant.
Right.
And the same thing is we have done it for the businesses. We have a similar thing called as customer satisfaction index. So you can see how the business is performing over the period of time, whether they have improved or they have declined in their services. तो वो सब ट्रेंड्स आप एज अ कंज्यूमर आप रीड कर सकते हो, ट्रांसपेरेंटली रीड कर सकते हैं. अनदर थिंग इज कि जो भी हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म पे आएगा, बिजनेस, एनी बिजनेस गेट लिस्टेड, दे आर ऑल कस्टमर ओरिएंटेड, because every data is transparently put for the consumers. So it's a seal of trust for businesses.
Okay.
So if business is confident about their value proposition, then only they will come on our platform. Otherwise, if anything, they are doing some cheating and all these things, they can't, because people are voting on that.
True.
Immediately people will drop down, their customer satisfaction.
I mean, these are like you said, they are real-time voters, they are real emotions.
Real emotions involved.
True. So, I mean, Mood India has done extremely well for itself, and Raj, you are quite accoladed for a lot of the achievements that you have won. मैंने आपके introduction में बोला ही था, but Mood India per se has been ranked at various platforms. Could you share a little about that?
Yes. So
it's a proud moment for you.
Yes, definitely for the entire team.
Yes.
So we were ranked among top 20 in 2018.
Oh wow.
Top 20 tech startup of India. This was by Government of India, Associated Chamber of Commerce and Ericsson.
Oh wow.
So that was in 2018. 2019 we are again nominated in top 20 tech startups of India to represent India in Sweden on Sweden Innovation Day.
Wow.
So this was a major initiative.
You made our country proud now, I can say that.
Yes, this was a proud moment for us as well.
Of course.
So now we are trying to further dig down and see on the ground level, on the agriculture side, if we can move. So we are, getting into association with one of the companies in Hyderabad. We'll be taking the feedback from the farmers.
Yes, of course.
So there's a huge application side, of the platform, where
True.
you get to know the farmer sentiments.
And mass, agriculture is a mass.
Yes,
agriculturist for that matter.
Yes.
Okay.
So now we are venturing into that area also.
So 4 years, you've done wonderfully well for yourself, wherein, top 20 tech startups consecutively, 18 and 19. So, up kya future plans hai? How do you plan to shape Mood India?
So we are trying to get, we have 2 segments which we are working on. Most likely by this 2021, we should be able to get them completely done. So one is the governance index.
Okay.
So we are trying to gauge, how, for example, smart city Udaipur. So all the parameters of the smart city set by the government. What is the people are saying. True. And how these smart cities are comparable to each other.
True, exactly.
What people are saying from Indore, let's say, for what people are saying about Udaipur functioning.
Udaipur,
So how these smart cities, can come into a race, and see which is doing better. And we want to not just be at the city level, but at the state level also, how the state policies are there, how they have framed the policy and how they're functioning. So what's the people feedback on that?
And which is very important because execution is all that matters.
Yes. So at the city level, at the state level, and at the country level. So the governance index is going to be capturing the entire sentiments on day-to-day issues, like municipal issues, electricity issues, all these issues, which we as a citizen want. So that will be reflected how the governance is happening in that particular geography.
Wow.
And then we are also looking at, the next segment, what we are looking is bringing in the influencers. So let's say, who are the influencers of the city? What is their sentiments? How people are relating to them. So how you can follow them, read their blogs, everything, continuous engagement with them. So that also should we are looking at. So it's going to be a very you can say a very
very interactive.
interactive platform, and it's more or less going to be a social media sort of platform very soon by 2021.
And I wish you all the luck for
Thank
that.
you.
And maybe the next US elections, maybe Mood India might represent India.
Yes. We are looking forward to go global. We have already taken a name for that, already purchased the domains and everything. And let's hope that, this is going to be a platform from India to the world.
I'm sure it is going to be. Thank you so much, Raj. It was
Thank you.
wonderful talking to you, knowing about this beautiful concept of, I would want to also call it capturing emotional intelligence, because that is what you really are doing.
Yes.
So thank you.
Thank you, Archana, for having me. Thanks a lot.
So today we had a conversation with Mr. Raj Bordia and got to know so much about his entrepreneur venture called moodindia.in. As humans, we have so many opinions. So next time you have an opinion, you know where to log in. You need to go on to moodindia.in and share your opinion. Stay tuned with us on Udaipur Colors for such interesting videos where we talk to such interesting personalities to know so much more about what they do differently.